Welcome to the H.C.F. Theorem app.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss the pair of linear equations, and we are going to compare their ratios. Okay. So what are the linear equations? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the general form of a linear equation involving two variables. So we have already discussed many methods of solving this. For example, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method, and graphical method also. And then just see here, pair of lines, we have taken some examples. Okay, so x minus 2y is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So here I have taken the pair of lines in this column, and here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, all the coefficients. Okay, and we have compared the ratios in this column and the graphical representation and the algebraic interpretation. So in the first case I have taken two linear equations. So what are the coefficients? a1 by a2. So the coefficient of x is 1, then in the second value it is 3. This is a1, a2. Okay, a1 is 1 and a2 is 3. Okay, so see here, this is a1, a1 is 1 and b2 is minus 2, a2 is 3, b2 is 4, c2 is minus 20. a1 is 1, so once again I repeat, a1 is 1, b1 is minus 2 and a2 is 3, b2 is 4 and c2 is minus 20. We don't have c1 term, c1 is 0. Okay, so a1 by a2, 1 by 3 and b1 by b2, minus 2 by 4 and c1 by c2, 0 by minus 20. c1 is 0 here. So just see here, you are having 1 by 3, and if you cancel it out, you will be getting minus 2 by 4. If you cancel, you will be getting minus 1 by 2. So when you compare these two values, you won't be getting equal. Instead, you will be getting a value which is not equal. That is a1 by a2. These two are not equal. That's what I have written here. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If this condition occurs, then the graphical representation of that, those two lines will be intersecting lines. Okay, so if this is the condition, if this is the value you are getting, like if you are getting this a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the graphical representation, so graphically we can say that these two lines are intersecting lines. And what will be the algebraic interpretation? We can conclude that this has exactly one solution, that is unique. See the next equation, 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. So what is the a1 value? 2, b1 3 and c1 minus 9, a2 is 4, b2 is 6, c2 is minus 18. Now just let us write the ratios. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 minus 9 by minus 18. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, minus 9 by minus 18. So when you cancel it out, see just 2 by 4 is what? If you cancel, what are all the values you will get? So when you cancel it, you will be getting 1 by 2 and 3 by 6, again the answer for this is 1 by 2 and minus 9 by minus 18. For this also you will be getting 1 by 2. So these ratios are equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. All these are equal. So if the condition occurs like this, then the graphical representation will be coincident lines. The first line lies on the second line, or else how can you say? The second line lies on the first line. Coincident lines. So graphically we can say that these are coincident lines. So those lines have infinitely many solutions. So what is the algebraic interpretation? Those lines have, that is, these equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now let us see the next. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So A1 is 1, B1 is 2 and C1 is minus 4. A2 is 2, B2 is 4 and C2 is minus 12. So let us write the ratios. A1 by A2, 1 by 2, B1 by B2, 2 by 4 and C1 by C2, minus 4 by minus 12. So when you calculate this, see 1 by 2, we can't reduce it. This again we can't reduce, 2 by 4 we can reduce it to simpler form. So when you cancel it out, you will be getting 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So we can conclude that these two ratios, that is A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are equal. But see the C1 by C2, minus 4 by minus 12, if you reduce it to simpler form, what will you get? 1 by 3. So that is not equal. But these first two ratios are equal. That is A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. If this condition occurs, then the graphical representation will be parallel lines. So these two linear equations will be parallel lines. Okay. So graphically they are parallel lines. And what about the solution? They have no solution at all. So no solution. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box. And thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.